白狗偷食，黑狗當災。白狗偷食，黑狗當災。
This expression is similar to the last one.
代罪羔羊。
It also describes someone passively becomes another's scapegoat, but the contrast effect is bigger than.
代罪羔羊。
Its translation is the white dog stole, the black dog took the blame. Let me further explain. Suppose there are two people A and B. A gives others a very good impression while B gives others a very bad impression. One time, when A did something wrong, others thought that it should be done by B. Also, A might get some benefits, but B got nothing and had to bear the result. For example,
真係白狗偷食，黑狗當災啊！明明係佢整壞嘅，但其他人就以為係我做嘅。真係白狗偷食，黑狗當災啊！明明係佢整壞嘅，但其他人就以為係我做嘅。
In English, it means, it is really the white dog stole, the black dog took the blame. It was very clear that he broke it, but others thought that I did it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.